Anything else, just let me, I'm going to roll behind the shoulder here for a second.
Sure.
Rolling. Let me know if you want something else. I'm going to stick around.
Running under the house, and I'll show you where it goes here. But as we do, take a look around at the landscape here.
Yeah.
Probably at points 5 or 6 feet wide, really. And then, I mean, you can pan down into it.
Yep, I can get in. Yep, I can get in.
As you start to zoom in, I will say something like you can zoom all the way down, and
yep, that sounds good.
It's clearly
good. Yep.
I mean, that's probably.
Keep it a little tighter on these three. It's up to y'all if we don't need to.
I think
we're okay. Okay.
Hawaii National Guard soldiers and airmen set out into the communities of Hawaii Island on an informational campaign. Together with Hawaii County Civil Defense authorities, the Guardsmen canvassed the communities of Upper Puna over the weekend of May 19th, passing out informational material and speaking with residents in an effort to help prep the communities for the possibility of an explosive eruption at the Halema'uma'u crater. With Upper Puna's close proximity to the volcanic activity, Hawaii County officials felt it necessary for a door-to-door campaign and requested the assistance of the National Guard to help with a grassroots effort to spread the word. Reporting for the Hawaii National Guard, I'm Senior Airman Orlando Corpuz.
Yeah, we're gonna have to come back. You're right.
Gotcha. Good enough.
They all have set pool or set. They don't want to. Maybe now they will. See what I mean? She came down and she flew over because she had like gas. They don't want to. Maybe now they will.